Yes, we're going to build ships. And we're going to build a few extra. We're going to build a couple for Nicaragua in order to smash that American blockade. We'll build another one. We'll build one to send the American missiles back. We'll build ships in order to transport food from the common market food mountains to the third world. And we've got a little ship, just a little ship, an old ship, and we're going to put that lot in it. And we're going to put David Owen and David Steele in it. And we can send it to Dunkirk so they can sign the Anglo-French minimum deterrent. We'll build ships. We'll keep promises. And we'll provide a little bit of socialism where it's not been evident for many years past. That's what we need to do. Thank you very much.